The 1971 DeTomaso Pantera, where Italian design meets American muscle. Introduced at the New York Auto Show, the Pantera quickly became a symbol of exotic performance. Its name means panther, and just like the animal, it's sleek, aggressive, and undeniably captivating. Today, we're taking you on a journey through the legendary design and power of this iconic supercar. The Pantera's body was penned by Tom Giarda, an American-born designer working for Ghia. Its sharp, angular lines scream 1970s Italian design, while the low-slung, wide stance gives it a track-ready look. At just 43 inches tall, the Pantera hugs the ground like a true race car. The front is dominated by the aggressive nose and pop-up headlights, which complete the sleek, wedge-shaped profile. Moving to the rear, we see flared fenders and a distinctive wing that not only aids performance but also gives the Pantera its signature look. Under the rear deck lies the heart of the Pantera, Ford's 351 Cleveland V8 engine. This 5.8-liter powerplant produces a robust 330 horsepower, delivering the raw, unmistakable sound of American muscle. The mid-engine layout gives the Pantera incredible weight distribution and handling, making it more than just a straight-line performer. The combination of Italian design and American engineering was a game-changer, pushing the Pantera into the ranks of the world's best supercars of the 1970s. Step inside the Pantera, and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit. The black leather seats are sculpted for both comfort and support, reminding you this is a car built for both the road and the track. The steering wheel, adorned with the DeTomaso emblem, is perfectly placed to give the driver full control, while the gated shifter offers a tactile, mechanical feel that enhances the driving experience. The minimalist dashboard with retro-style dials and buttons immerses you in a time when cars were about pure driving enjoyment. The Pantera rides on stunning Campagnolo magnesium wheels, wrapped in low-profile tires that grip the road like a predator. Beneath the skin, it's equipped with independent suspension at all four corners, giving the Pantera a perfect blend of comfort and precision handling. This was a supercar that could tame both the track and the streets, making it a true dual-purpose machine. The Pantera's rear design is just as iconic as its front, with quad exhaust pipes that produce a symphony of V8 power. When you turn the key and ignite the engine, you unleash a sound that is raw and unfiltered, a sound that defines the era of true muscle and performance. The 1971 DeTomaso Pantera is more than just a car, it's a masterpiece. A fusion of Italian elegance and American brute force, the Pantera remains a symbol of innovation and style. Whether on the streets or in a showroom, it commands attention and continues to captivate enthusiasts around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the most iconic supercars of all time.